Hello everyone, welcome to the lesson, and the topic of the lesson is food chain in the nature. Open your copybooks and put down the date, Tuesday, the 5th of April, class work. Let's remember, we have already spoken about donating to different organizations supporting the protection of environment, and today we are speaking further about environment and about laws working there. So today we are speaking about different organisms in nature. Look at the picture. What can you see there? You can see the food chain. In the food chain, you can see different organisms, starting with grass and finishing with fungi. There are producers and consumers. And today we are going to learn about their role in our life, in the life of the world. First, try to answer the questions. Which animals are herbivore? Попробуйте ответить на вопросы. Which animals are herbivore? We call herbivore the animals which eat only grass. Which animals are carnivore? Carnivore are animals which eat other animals. Which animals are omnivore? Animals which eat both grass and other animals are called omnivore. So, in the food chain, we can see both herbivore and carnivore, and also omnivore. You can see that everything goes in circle. The first place takes grass. It is a producer. Producer – производитель. Grass needs only sun and water to grow. Grasshopper eats grass. It is the primary consumer. Snakes, for example, eat grasshoppers. Snakes are secondary consumers. Primary consumer – потребитель первого порядка. Secondary consumer – потребитель второго порядка. Hawks hunt snakes. They are tertiary consumers. And when hawks die, fungi decompose them. They are decomposers. Decompose – участвуют в разложении. And they produce nutrients for grass. Преобразуют органические вещества в питательные вещества для растений. So grass grows and gives food to grasshoppers. Grasshoppers become food for snakes, and so on. This is food chain. Now, we are reading a dictionary entry. What is a food chain. Давайте прочитаем словарную статью. Что же такое пищевая цепочка? A series of living things which are linked to each other because each thing feeds on the next one in this series. Что же такое пищевая цепочка? Это последовательная связь организмов, которая заключается в том, что каждый последующий организм питается предыдущим в этой цепочке. То есть то, на что мы с вами посмотрели на предыдущей картинке. Let's have a look at the text. You can see there are gaps in the text. Your task is to read it and to complete the gaps with proper words. Stop the video and do the task. Read the text and complete the gaps. Сделали паузу в видео и выполнили это задание. Прочтите текст, заполняя пропуски подходящими словами. Then we will check. А потом, как обычно, мы с вами проверим, что получилось. Well, checking. What's a producer? Кто же такие производители? All energy originally comes from the sun. Green plants can't hunt or shop for food, so they simply use sunlight and water to make it. Green plants usually start food chains. They are called producers. What's a consumer? Кто такой потребитель? Animals, such as grasshoppers, get their energy from eating green plants like leaves. As they only eat plants, they are called herbivores. Carnivores, like lions or some birds, only eat meat. Omnivores eat plants and animals. Anything that eats another plant or animal to get energy is called a consumer. I think the text is clear, isn't it? Текст понятен, не так ли? Производители – это организмы, которые используют только солнечный свет и воду для своего роста и своей энергии, а потребители – это организмы, которые употребляют в пищу другие организмы, будь то растительные или животные. What's a decomposer? The food chain ends with dead animals that fungi and bacteria use as food. Грибы и бактерии. These organisms break down the complex organic compounds, which then return to the soil so that plants can use them again. That's how the food chain starts all over again. Break down – расщеплять. Complex organic compounds – сложные органические соединения. Why is the food chain important? The food chain provides the energy that all living things need in order to survive. If there is a break in the link in the chain, then all organisms above this link are in danger of extinction. Imagine the world without plants. How would animals survive? So, the food chain is very important to other creatures to survive and for our world to survive. Well, we read the text. Now, you read the text again using your books. Then you look at the picture and try to retell what you know about the food chain now. Теперь, перечитав текст и глядя на картинку, теперь мы знаем, что такое производитель, что такое потребитель первого порядка, второго порядка и так далее. Постарайтесь рассказать о том, что вы узнали о пищевой цепочке. If you want, you can send your stories for me to check. Well, let's read the text again and pay attention to words in bold. You should learn these new words. Давайте еще раз посмотрим на текст и разберемся со словами, которые выделены жирным шрифтом. Частично мы их уже проговорили. Let's have a look. Producers. Уже встречалось это слово. Производители. Herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. Herbivores – травоядные, carnivores – хищники, omnivores – всеядные. Consumer – тоже мы уже обращали внимание, потребители. Fungi and bacteria – грибы и бактерии. Break down – расщеплять. Compounds – соединения. All over again – снова и снова. Provide – обеспечивать кого-либо чем-либо. Survive – выживать. Extinction – исчезновение. So, copy these words out and learn them. Выпишите эти слова и обязательно выучите. So, what I want you to do at home. Please reread the text, translate it, of course learn the words, and make up 5 questions. Don't forget to show me 5 types of questions. Помните, когда вы получаете задание составить 5 вопросов к тексту, вы должны показать, что вы знаете 5 типов вопросов. Общий, альтернативный, специальный, к подлежащему и разделительный. So, that's all for today. See you tomorrow. Bye.